today we shall start with the new topic, that is the nucleus, the last organelle of the cell. Write down the introduction about the nucleus. Nucleus is a specialized double membrane bound protoplasmic body which contains all the genetic information for controlling the cellular metabolism and transmission to the posterity, posterity, posterity. Next point. A nucleus in the non-dividing or metabolic phase. A nucleus in the non-dividing or metabolic phase is called interphase nucleus. Nucleus in the non-dividing or metabolic phase is called interphase nucleus. Next point. It is the largest cell organelle. It is the largest cell organelle. It is usually found in the region of maximum metabolic activity in the cytoplasm. Full stop. In the cytoplasm. The nuclei are generally rounded in outline. The nuclei are generally rounded in outline. They appear oval or elliptical in plant cells, having large central vacuoles. A typical interphase nucleus is 5 to 25 micrometer in diameter. 5 to 25 micrometer in diameter. Full stop. Next point. It is differentiated into 5 parts. Nuclear envelope, first one is nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, third one is nuclear matrix, fourth is chromatin, and the fifth one is nucleolus. Nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nuclear matrix, chromatin, and nucleolus. Done. The first one is nuclear and envelope. It bounds the nucleus on the outside. The nuclear envelope separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It is made up of two proteins. It is made up of two proteins and trilaminar membranes. TRILAMINAR, trilaminar membranes. Full stop. Next point, the inner membrane is smooth. The inner membrane is smooth, but the outer membrane surface bear ribosomes like the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Like the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Nuclear envelope contains a large number of pores. डायग्राम में देखो तो पोर्स भी नजर आ रहे हैं बार बार लाइन दे विच जगह जगह तो पोर्स बनाए गए जिन्होंने न्यूक्लियर पोर का नाम दिता है. न्यूक्लियर एनवलप कंटेन्स अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ पोर्स. The pores and their annuli, 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 forms a pore complex. Pore complex called annulated pore. ANNULATED, annulated pore. Next point, the nuclear pore controls the passage of substances to the inside and outside of the nucleus. To the inside and the outside of the nucleus, that is RNAs. For example लिख लो किहड़े किहड़े जिहड़े मतलब हैगे ने substances जिहड़े inside और outside जाणगे. RNAs, ribosomes and proteins, etc. RNAs, ribosomes and proteins, etc. Second heading is nucleoplasm. तुसी डायग्राम च न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म देख रहे हो, ठीक है, उतों समझ सकते हो. इट इज़ अ ट्रांसपेरेंट सैमी फ्लूइड जैल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होंदा है. पूरा पानी भी नहीं ते बहुत हार्ड भी नहीं, ठीक है. इट इज़ अ ट्रांसपेरेंट कॉमा सैमी फ्लूइड एंड कोलाइडल सब्सटेंस which fills the nucleus full stop. Next point, it contains It contains nucleosides, 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 and a number of enzymes. Number of enzymes, full stop. Next heading is nuclear matrix. It is a network of fine fibrils. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਧਾਗੇ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਆ ਰਹੇ, that is called matrix. It is a network of fine fibrils of acid protein that functions as scaffold for chromatin. Functions as scaffold for chromatins. SCAFFOLD, scaffold for chromatins. Next point, on the periphery, below the nuclear envelope, nuclear matrix forms a dense fibrous layer called nuclear lamina. Nuclear lamina, LAMINA, nuclear lamina. Last point is लिखो, nuclear matrix provides mechanical strength to nuclear matrix नहीं बेटा, nuclear lamina लिखो, nuclear lamina provides mechanical strength to nuclear envelope. ठीक है, full stop. Next is chromatin. Last heading, chromatin. It is hereditary. DNA protein fibrillar complex. It is hereditary. DNA protein fibrillar complex, FIBRILLAR, fibrillar complex. Chromatin occur in the form of, next point है, chromatin occurs in the form of fine overlapping, and coiled fibers, घुम्मे होंदे ने, गुच्छे बने होंदे ने, and coiled fibers, COILED, coiled fibers, which appears to produce a network called chromatin reticulum. Next point, chromatin fibers are distributed throughout the nucleoplasm. Chromatin fibers are distributed throughout the nucleoplasm, full stop, but they are differentiated into two regions. Euchromatin, EUCHRO, MATIN, euchromatin, and heterochromatin. उत्थे लिखा है ना. The last one is nucleolus. 5 parts कितने सी ना सी. फिफ्थ पार्ट लिखो nucleolus. NUCLEOLUS nucleolus. It is a naked round. It is a naked मतलब साफ नजर आता है. नेक्ड मतलब होता है नंगा होना या साफ नजर आना, स्पष्ट नजर आना. नेक्ड, राउंड और स्लाइटली इररेगुलर स्ट्रक्चर which is attached to the chromatin, which is attached to the chromatin at a specific regions called nucleolar, NEUCLEOLAR nucleolar organizer region. यदि एब्रीवेशन है NOR. ठीक है, NOR भी पूछा जा सकता है. न्यूक्लियोलर ऑर्गेनाइजर रीजन. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, कॉमनली 1 to 4 nucleoli are found in the nucleus. NUCLEOLI nucleoli are found in the nucleus. Next point, a covering membrane is absent around the nucleolus. A covering membrane around the nucleolus is absent. या is absent around the nucleolus, जिसमें मर्जी लिख लो. Nucleolus has 4 components. Nucleolus has 4 components. That is amorphous matrix, AMORPHOUS, amorphous matrix, comma, granular part, GRANULAR, granular part, comma, fibril portion, FIBRILLAR, and chromatin, fibril portion and chromatin. Last point is लिख लो, nucleolus is the principal site of, nucleolus is the principal site of, site for the, देखो, site for the development of ribosomal RNA, principal site for the formation of या डेवलपमेंट ऑफ राइबोसोमल आरएनए. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट हेडिंग इज फंक्शंस ऑफ द न्यूक्लियस. न्यूक्लियस खत्म हो गया तो डेथ है, ਉਹਦੇ फंक्शंस कर लांगे. फर्स्ट आ गया, इट बेयर्स क्रोमेटिन. इट बेयर्स क्रोमेटिन. Nucleus possesses all the genetic information. Next, nucleus possesses all the genetic information. Nucleus control all the cellular activities. Nucleus controls all the cellular activities. Ribosomes are formed, next point, ribosomes are formed in the nucleolus part of the nucleus. Ribosomes are formed in the nucleolus part of the nucleus. It helps in the cell growth and its maintenance. It helps in the cell growth and its maintenance. It also directs Next point, it also directs cell differentiation. Cell differentiation. Full stop. Now that's enough for today.